Imagine the entire internet, your photos, AI data, and cloud storage floating in orbit above Earth. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Tech companies and space startups are now planning to launch data centers into space. It's a radical move that could reshape how we power the digital world. But why send computers millions of dollars into orbit when they already work just fine on Earth? AI is booming, and with it comes an explosion in data demand. According to Goldman Sachs, global power consumption from data centers is expected to increase by 165% by 2030. These massive warehouse-like buildings need enormous amounts of land, electricity, and cooling that's producing tons of CO. Even renewable-powered centers struggle because solar and wind farms also take up land. So if we can't expand outward, maybe it's time to look upward. Enter space-based data centers, a bold idea being tested by the Essen project in Europe. Their concept? Launch servers into orbit to capture continuous solar power, unaffected by weather, night, or seasons. Space offers unlimited sunlight and zero need for real estate. France-based Thales Alenia Space found that orbiting data centers could become a more eco-friendly and sovereign way to process global data if rocket emissions can be drastically reduced. But here's the catch. To actually reduce CO, we'd need rockets that emit 10 times less carbon than the ones we have now. Startups aren't waiting. From Abu Dhabi, a company called Madari Space is preparing to send a small toaster-sized data module into orbit in 2026. In China, 12 satellites are already a part of a planned 2,800 satellite computing constellation. And in the US, companies like Starcloud and Lonestar Data Holdings are testing GPU-powered orbital servers, even one on the moon. Their vision? A future where every new data center is built in space, because Earth just can't handle the energy load. But experts warn that it's not that simple. Space brings its own set of headaches. Extreme radiation, heat dissipation in a vacuum, space debris, solar flares, and the risk of weaponized counter-space tech. Plus, maintenance is nearly impossible. You can't just reboot a satellite with a wrench. And the cost? Launching one large satellite can still run tens of millions of dollars. So while space data centers sound like the future, the economics and logistics are still astronomical. For pioneers like Sharif Al-Romathi, CEO of Madari Space, this is about more than cost, it's about progress. He says if we don't look off-planet, we risk technological stagnation, and maybe he's right. Because whether it's AI, climate change, or clean energy, the next frontier might not just be digital, it might be orbital. Would you trust your data in space? Drop your thoughts below.